My love is true. Yes. The same money can buy the world, but it can buy my
It was they dry. They dry. Ordinary this outside, I see, make I come. I go see one or two talk to. Nobody there to talk to. All these rich people self, they too do. Oh, chim.
Come on, man. Since morning, person don't tire, son don't beat me. See your love, not a lie. See your feelings, not a time.
Bros, you dey sing.
Huh?
You dey sing, I swear. You sabi sing.
Thank you. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Your voice is sweet, die.
Thank you very much.
Kai! This one you just dey waka dey sing, you dey happy. You be like say you don't win money.
I wish. On the contrary, the record label that was supposed to sign me, they bounced me. So, and the guy lives in this estate. Trying to see him since morning.
They bounce. Wetin dey bounce?
I bounce. You're very funny. I mean, like, they disappointed. They cancelled.
They cancel? Hey! They cancel your plan?
Yeah.
Kai, people wicked though. Eh? Kai. Bros, take heart. Oh. You see, this life, na so e be, oh. Na so e be. But when I tell you, the one will be for you, not for you. You no go stress you.
I believe. Thank you.
You dey welcome. My name na Chichi. Chichi, I dey live for this estate. My house is not far from this side.
Oh, you live in this estate?
Yes,
okay. Oh, my name is Kelvin, but my friends call me Kelly.
Kelly?
Yes.
Your name is sweet, oh, Kelly. And your voice, it be like that's Christy Brown.
Chris Brown.
Christy Brown.
Okay, thank you.
Hey. Not afternoon, I dey sleep. Voila. You are the I am that I am. Sanamet. Hey! Ara maneri modikenati panaya. Ay! I am that I am. Sanamet to go. Aragana to a maneri modikenati. Okay, more.
Chichi.
Egu. Sanamet to go. Aragana.
Chichi.
Chimhone. So basic. You are the I am that I am.
Chichi.
Amata marechim. Egu. They say the I am that I am. Yes, sir. Okay. What's happening?
Chichi, can you behave yourself? Can you stop this rubbish?
No be you say make I leave you. You won't do your work. You won't focus for work. Me, I won't do my own thing. You can't stop my spirit. Eh?
You're making noise. Listen, I need absolute peace and quiet. And I've been telling you, you don't have to be so loud all the time. Okay? Try to put yourself in order. Try to put yourself to act like a polished lady.
And no, she not be shoe that they polish. I resemble shoe. You see what you did to me, I don't like him. Make I tell you, I don't like him. May you go to this house like this 1 week. 1 week go pass. The only thing where you go to tell me now, good morning or good afternoon, good evening. This music where I want to hear now will be my best friend because you don't want to talk to me now. You don't even give me gist. I go who want give you gist, you don't go on here. This one now you won't go stop her.
Chichi, listen, I need to work. Okay, I need focus, no drama.
No. You won't work. You don't see me. Where they house? Where they lazy, no they do anything. I no get work. You see this house where big like this, you don't they very boring. My life don't boy finish.
And what's the meaning of that? What's your life don't boy finish?
Why my life no go boy? Why you no go boy? I dey this house, I no get person where I go dey talk to. The house dey boring. My life don't boy now.
No, whatever. Just stop this noise. It's irritating. Stop it.
Now God where they worship you. Now God that they praise that this they say they irritate me. No wahala. No wahala now. I go don't leave you. Don't go collect the thing where they will use take care of this. Stop this thing when they do now, eh? Baby,
My friend,
this thing when they no good, baby boom. God go vex for you. You go see now. God go vex for you. I want to sing, give glory to God. We keep us alive. You see, they complain. No wahala. Oko sisia na metugio, alatana mbonu maderi modike na simpanaya.
Chichi!
The way she keeps me smiling, it brings me joy. It proves this loving is real. Within my heart, there's nobody else. Give me your hand, let me take you away, mommy, me. See the girl I want marry, no time, no delay. After all the things I've been through, I present my love to you. The girl I want marry, the girl I want carry. Mama, let me see you. Wombolo, 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 wombolo. Go again. You don't have a choice. I hope I'm able to see him this time. Oh, wait. Why would he say to his followers that he was going to sign me, but then he doesn't? He doesn't take my calls, doesn't reply my messages. I hope he gives me a chance. Because I know my dreams are valid. I know he's you, but how will we do now? We can't give up. We die here.
Hey, baby boo boo, baby boo boo, baby boo boo, baby boo boo, baby boo, baby boo,
Stop.
baby boo,
Stop.
baby boo,
Stop now.
baby.
I said stop. Stop now. Don't you hear?
Waiting now. Waiting. Eh? Waiting, you say fair, you too do. Which kind of thing be this one? Make I stop waiting. Eh? Ordinary play where I won't even play with you. You no gree won't play. We dey room, we dey house, you no go talk to me. Now for you dey press. If you no dey press for you go dey press your laptop. She na yawu you dey do. Eh now? Ordinary play, you no go gree play. See, me I no like this thing, no. I don't like am. Other woman they talk say I deal with my best friend. Me if I want to talk say I deal with my best friend now. Haba.
So I'll be traveling in 2 days time.
You don't see him. You don't see him. I dey talk this one now. You won't come leave me, come travel. You won't leave me travel. I don't like this one. You won't leave me travel. You leave only me for house. Gate man don't come out. Nobody dey this house. Only me go dey this house. If something come see me for night, Madam Koko, she come visit me. What I go do?
And what's that supposed to mean, Madam?
Madam Koko now.
Who is Madam Koko?
You don't know Madam Koko.
Talk. Who is?
Hey, Madam Koko. Where dey my village? That woman where they come for night. She go just appear for night, oh. You don't know Madam Koi.
Can you just stop with this your superstitious belief? That's barbaric, I beg.
And they talk Madam Koi, you they talk barbaric. How that one take enter?
Six, two.
This one, you know, come good again. Now just look me small. Eh? If you walk small, you look me small. Now your girlfriend I be.
Just Bob, get this part together.
Oh, baby, if this one, you know, you don't do it for money. Look me now.
So this project is very important.
Me, if I dey important now.
I know, but I'm trying to make money.
Now, if you make money, you give me small time. Look me now. You know, be woman I be. I can't be like wood where you dey. Eh?
2, 6. Hey! Can you stop? Stop it! Ha! Oh. So, stay calm. Be good. No drama. And do not embarrass yourself.
Same to you. Don't embarrass yourself too.
A journey of life turns into a sweet tale of love. When I sit and watch, I feel I'm thinking out loud. Oh yeah, oh no. It came at first sight, finding what is right. Seems like a puzzle, it swept me away. I feel like I'm going insane. Oh no, no. Somebody wake me up, cause I think I'm dreaming. Could this be love? Yeah. Could this be love? My love is pure. My love is original. My love is not material. My love is true. Yes. The same money can buy the world, but it can buy my
It was they dry. They dry. Ordinary this outside, I see, make I come. I go see 1 or 2 talk to. Nobody there to talk to. All these rich people self, they too do. Oh, Chim.
Come on, man. Since morning, person don't tire, son don't beat me. See your love, not a lie. See your feelings, not a time.
Bros, you they sing.
Huh?
You they sing, I swear. You sabi sing.
Thank you. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Oh. Your voice is sweet, die.
Thank you very much.
Kai! This one you just dey waka dey sing, you dey happy. You be like say you don't win money.
I wish. On the contrary, the record label that was supposed to sign me, they bounced me. So, and the guy lives in this estate. Trying to see him since morning.
They bounce. Wetin dey bounce?
I bounce. You're very funny. I mean, like, they disappointed. They cancelled.
They cancel? Hey! They cancel your plan?
Yeah.
Kai, people wicked though. Eh? Kai. Bros, take heart. Oh. You see, this life, na so e be, oh. Na so e be. But when I tell you, the one will be for you, not for you. You no go stress you.
I believe. Thank you.
You dey welcome. My name na Chichi. Chichi, I dey live for this estate. My house is no far from this side.
Oh, you live in this estate?
Yes,
okay. Oh, my name is Kelvin, but my friends call me Kelly.
Kelly?
Yes.
Your name be sweet, oh, Kelly. And your voice, it be like that's Christy Brown.
Chris Brown.
Christy Brown.
Okay, thank you.
Hey. Hi.
Sorry, I wanted to ask. I hope I'm not stressing you, but since you live in this estate, is there any way I can get water from you? Like, I'm very thirsty.
You want drink water?
Yes, please.
I want a small thing, like the water you want. Hey, and this one where you don't stand on that sun, I sure say you dey hungry. I even get food for house. May I give you food to join? Hey, where would they go?
Are you sure?
I go give you food. I'm waiting there, dear. Hey, as you don't sing finish, your voice you go down dry. May you chop. Eh?
Thank you very much.
Bros, you sabi single. I don't hear your voice as I dey waka. They hear ooh, see they in my ear.
I dey try
sing.
I dey try.
You know they strikes, but you sabi sing this song.
My baby Buna, my destiny helper. Yes, so I did my day like this. They crack my yaki, they sell. Now so I can't do housemaid, house help for this place. He can't see me now. Girl, you can't see na fine girl I be. Hey, he can't like me, oh. Can't say he like me. I myself, I like him. I like him. And so God can use and change my story. He tell me say he won't make we do boyfriend, girlfriend. And me say I agree, oh. And so we can't do like this.
Wow. Don't say this thing, man. Be like what they say inside Nollywood film.
I tell you.
Be like film.
I tell you.
And they see her with my 2 eyes.
I tell you. And my story be this, so. So I can upgrade, can day here.
God will do one for you. Will do one for me too.
Yeah.
You can involve me. Oh.
Amen, oh. Amen. Amen. Don't worry. I gotta pray. Because this estate like this, plenty big women they take for here. Yeah, but they pray make as they waka like this. One day make one of them see you. Even if na agadi old woman, make she see you, like you manage. They say love is blind.
All those ones should avoid me, I beg. Try and be love is blind. Love is blind, no me say myself I'm blind.
Hey.
I won't come to do agadi.
Hey.
As you fine girl like this, I don't get eyes see fine girl like you. Now agadi I won't come.
Then you get choice like this.
I beg you.
Hell. Don't mind me. That joke, I did joke. Oh, that joke. Oh.
This sweet though. So sweet.
Hey. You like him?
Yeah? Now do what you?
I make cook him. Now wait till my baby move on sick, can't like me joy.
Now you make this food.
Now.
Now the evidence be this now.
I did tell you.
Be better person.
Chai.
To see random stranger for road, carry a mental house, even give her food. For this kind of time and age where everybody they guard, everybody they lose guard again. Better person. I'll be very happy for you and your baby. I go love you, myself. I go.
Thank you. Oh. You like this food though? No worry, more day. Make I go bring more.
No, I'll be okay. This one be okay.
No, I get plenty. It dey enough. I go bring for you.
You sure?
Yeah, now. You like them?
If you look like say I dey rude, if you insist,
No, wow.
don't be reject sweet food.
No, I'll make I go bring. Go. I go dig in anya.
Hey! Off mic, I beg.
I don't see say you don't rate me. You don't rate me now. Me wey sabi sing.
Rate
If I
me.
sing for you, now this cup where I get. If I sing for you, you go sleep. I sabi
You
sing.
say that cough?
Yes, now.
Okay, that cough, kosa.
Na
Go
cough.
tell this my ear here, that cough, kosa.
I see, now your
Don't
ear,
try her for your life.
Your ear, dirty for your ear. Go clean.
Hey!
Go clean your ear.
Don't hear something for this one.
I try. Don't try. I try.
Let's not do that.
I try.
Voila.
Don't show me
wait
small
oh.
thing, oh.
Share. I don't call your number, Abi.
Now you collect am.
Make I flash am. I no one here say the number you're calling is not available.
You collect am, Jare.
Share,
I
can
don't
you
even
say
save.
the ring?
Oh yeah. You see,
You dey ring, abi?
Yes. I
Nice
said,
one, nice one. And they should say they there.
I said,
No, you don't make me laugh. My belly dey pain me.
Make
I don't know whether na the food we are chop.
Make I sing
Una dey
another
laugh well.
one now. Make
No,
I
no.
sing. Oh yeah.
I go need that, beg you.
No, come on for road. Make motor don't jam you. Come on for road.
No sing again, I beg.
No wahala.
No
You
sing
don't
again.
rate me.
For my life, I don't hear some kind.
Tiwa Savage.
For my life, I don't hear some kind bad boy, but this one,
I'm not surprised. I'm not going to ever pick. I'm trying. I go call your baby boo. Your baby boo go call you. You no go still pick am. Sure. No, come with my friend.
my G, how far now?
Chris Brown. How you dey? Hope say you no dey busy.
Busy? No, I'm not that busy. I'm not feel that busy for you now. Isn't this up?
Ah, thank God though. Because me, I won't make you follow me talk. Sleep no gree come.
Sleep no good. You be winch. If you sleep for night, say sleep no good come.
Ah. No wahala, no wahala. How your day go now?
And the day okay. No worry. Let me talk you to sleep. Maybe you I will use talk finish you. My day was okay. I'm just trying to write a new song. Get one small inspiration. But you know the one day for my head. So when we finish, I'll get back to it. Chi, it's getting late and I'm sure you must be tired. Let's just go.
No, we will stay here. We don't do already now. No, wait. If we just drive out like this, go fit talk to him. Eh? No, wait. Calm down. Just calm down. Don't do already.
Let's go. Eh? I don't want to stress you anymore. Let's just go.
You sure?
Yes. Don't try.
Maybe I don't lie. I don't tire. I don't lie. I don't tire.
Yeah.
Eh?
Oh, so you don't tire? You don't tire? Here they stand, they do the form vote. No, wait now. Copper you.
As I follow you
The
constant for here, and you don't like am.
the copper Sean. No, go stand now, soldier.
No way. No wahala.
In fact, go stand, make I go house. I'll come meet you back.
You know what? Let me one help man. No wahala.
Ah, it's my shot.
Next time. Thank you.
No wahala.
Try. No, go cool our heads.
I wanted to say thank you for today. You're following me to that place, standing under the sun, sweating.
Oh, guy, don't do. How did they talk? What are friends for? Eh? Don't do.
Thank you, Sha.
Wow.
Thank you.
Now your turn. Play. Not they waste time.
Oh, it's about to go down.
Oh, God, play
If
this
you
thing.
know what I am carrying,
If you know
if you know what is in me,
Play, make I see.
this is going to be a glorious win. First of all, take two. If I'm saying bid, if I'm giving the command, you're obeying. Take the two first. Take the
I
two
don't
first.
pick am
You've
now.
taken it.
You
Okay,
know what
please,
me I-
general market. Just add one more to it.
This thing
By
what
the way,
it
this is
is.
last card. This card shall be
You
the
know
end
check.
of you.
Now you'll be your
This
own
card
end.
shall be your
You
end.
know fit check. You
Are
know
you
what
ready?
I carry like this.
Are you ready?
Now
You
talk.
just pack all the load.
Now
All
mouth.
this load
Don't
is nonsense
stop.
because
Now
what?
too much.
Take off.
Ta!
Wait. What is that? What is that?
Come, you don't cheat.
Which one be cheat?
You cheater.
Check the card now.
You cheat. Make I see. Wait, see. Not baby. I play.
See card.
Wait, make I see.
No, you give me the
See,
card.
Wait, make I see.
No tear this card.
I got turn around.
Why you do like this?
I
No
put
tear this card.
not be triangle with this. How triangle?
Which one be triangle? Now block I use win.
Nah, square. You supposed to play triangle. See. Hey, I don't catch you.
You don't.
Hey, you know well. Hey. My baby boo, come. My baby boo.
Oh.
Hello, baby boo.
Oh.
I don't miss you.
I'm returning tomorrow.
Eh? You dey come? I cannot wait. Oh, I want to see. I don't dey miss you. Hey. Hello? Baby boo. Hello? Hey.
What's happening?
You don't cut now. Now in way. My baby boo dey come tomorrow.
Oh. Paula, for no get baby boo.
Jealous
Waiting. Come on for there. No worry, I go soon blow. If I will get baby boo very soon.
Hey, may God do am. May God do am. My baby boo dey come
See where you dey
tomorrow.
happy.
I no go happy.
Person will win lottery now. Wow.
This one though, if you pass person wey win lottery.
I go love oh.
Hey. Make I do house. I don't
tire for you. I don't tire for you.
Baby boo, don't come. Hey. Oh. Ewo. Oh. Baby boo. Baby boo. How?
Easy now. Must you be so hard? Huh?
Oh.
How are you? I miss you.
I don't miss you too now. Oh, hey, baby, where your box? Second
It should be in the back.
Oh, hey, I don't miss you. Oh. You know, come wait for me. This is water. We go see for inside. This house is very boring. That thing wey I won't tell you as you dey chop. Wey you can say, make I no dey talk as you dey chop. I get good news. Hey, I don't make a new friend. His name na Kelly. And me, I dey call him Christy Brown. Hey, if you hear this guy voice, him voice dey nice, eh? Hey, hi, people dey sing go.
Okay, that's good. I mean, I was wondering why you did not call my phone a million times when I traveled.
You see, I don't call him. I don't get person where they keep me busy.
As long as he keeps you busy and does not cross his boundaries. I mean, I trust you.
Miss, if I trust you, baby boo, this my friend there.
I need to walk.
No, baby,
It's my laptop.
if you hear us in they sing, see, in voice, if they sound there, you go there, you go there sleep. As you dey hear him voice. Make we just small now. You know they just they walk. You don't travel. Make we just small just. You know go won't gree just me. No wahala. If you walk, when I go there, the wait you go come. Make we just the gist. It's my friend talk. It's sweet that you. Hey. Baby boy. Hey. Get wetin I go like me we talk. Like this, now make you give me small time here. Make we talk the thing. It is very important. Baby boo.
Chichi, I'm so busy. I don't have the luxury of time.
Baby boo, na just small time. Small. The thing is very, very important. Na small time I need like this. So,
Chichi, I've told you, if you need money, take money. If you need more, just let me know, okay?
No be everything money dey solve now. This one no be money matter. Like this now, na listening ear I need. Make you just hear wetin I wan talk, advise me. Baby boo now, hear me small now.
Listen, I don't have that time. I'm busy, okay?
Now this busy you dey now like this. This thing wey you promise me, you say I go school or you go start something for me. You don't dey busy now, forget the promise wey you promise me. And you get wetin people dey talk. They say na idle man na devil workshop. As I dey like this now, I can't be like devil workshop.
Chichi, if you need money, just take money and do whatever you want. Oh, sorry. Emeka? Yes. How many? 50 million? No. It's supposed to be 100 now. That's what we discussed. Yes, shipment and all. Yeah, exactly. No. Including, yes. That's 100 million we're talking about. I mean, I was shocked when I saw 50. Oh, okay.
So if I get French. No one. My guy, how far?
Omochi, I don't see way for this life. Oh. You go believe say I go one show, They tell me say they go pay me. I say no wahala now. After the show, they bring food come. Semo and egusi soup. Yeah, no, I just chop the food now based on say me I dey hungry. I can't tell them say me them pay me for the show where I do now. Let me say they don't pay me. I say how? Pay me, we are never get any alert. Let me say the food that they give me now my payment. I say where did they use food paper? Where did they use food papers? Instead they tell me from beginning itself, I for just even know, okay, fine, now the food with my payment or I go to expect money. I just don't know what to do. Which kind of nonsense be this one now? Anyway, me, I don't learn my lesson because they para like this.
Abba now, this kind people say, they don't do you strong thing, oh. Don't worry, no vex. See, now all these things you go talk like this when you blow.
She said they whine me. You say you really believe say I go blow?
Why you no go blow?
Me, I believe you die, oh. In a bag of talent.
Kai, thank you, Jerry, my friend. Thank you. Anyway, how far you now? How far your baby boy? You just disappear, eh? You know good, 3 days, you never check on your friend. No be so.
Kai, no vex, no vex, no vex. Oh, na love, oh. Love don't carry me, they go. No vex.
Love no go kill you, but dear, enjoy, Jerry. Enjoy.
Eh, eh. Get one thing where I been want tell you as I call you, but this your food matter sef, you don't tire me. Maybe we go talk about them later now.
Waiting this up. Talk to me now. You know you can always tell me anything, anytime. Shoot.
Shoot. Wetin I dey shoot?
I mean, tell me what's the issue?
Una always sabi English, una just dey like to dey speak big grammar. Anyway, I want do something, no. I want do makeup. Make I fit be makeup artist. Make I dey.
Na small thing, Jerry, go run am. I get person who go fit teach you, and I get small bars will go run am. Na small thing.
Kai! My guy! Hey! See, if na money, no worry. Me if I get money, like this, na person wey go give me morale, wey go dey push me, wey go dey ginger me, na him I need. Like I need better support.
Anyone where you want to, ginger or support, so I did for you. Don't worry, I go call you, go run am.
Kai! My guy!
My G.
My paddy! Kai, God go bless you, God go bless you, God go bless you.
My free, Jerry, my go house.
Better person! Hey! My guy, my paddy for life. So sweet me, oh! He sweet me! He sweet me, oh! He sweet me, oh! I don't even know how I go take thank you like this. Just they support me every time they support me. Maybe yesterday I tell you this thing. I don't tell you yesterday, you don't make them happen sharp.
Shit. How are you now? You are my friend now. You're a special friend. Anything where I feel to help you, I go run now. You are my G. You need to thank me. I did thank you, be that one.
Thank you. Thank you.
See, you don't come on my cap.
Thank you, best. Fine like this. Be fine.
I don't hear.
Thank you. God will bless you.
That's smart.
God will bless you. Right. I be happy. Baby boo. Welcome. Boo.
Thank you.
May I hug you soon? I get good news, oh.
Oh, what's that?
I don't learn makeup artist.
It's called makeup.
I don't learn makeup.
That's good. I mean, you have enough money in your account, so why not?
Maybe. If you see what's I learned today, only today.
I'm famished.
A journey of life turns into a sweet tale of love. When I sit and watch, I feel I'm thinking out loud. Oh yeah, oh no. It came at first sight, finding what is right. Seems like a puzzle, it swept me away. I feel like I'm going insane.
Small. People. Madam, I never finish.
Chichi, what is this?
A model.
What?
Now you be my model. You know, I learn this makeup thing, so I just want makeup you. Make I see. This my work. I don't learn and well.
What?
No, sit down, lie down. Hey, you don't touch this.
Chichi, what nonsense is this? What rubbish are you doing?
No, it don't be rubbish. Hey, see, if you see yourself, if you see, I never even finish. If I finish, you go be like papi water. You know, say na only mommy water they get. Baby, wait, now you they go. I never finish.
What rubbish is this, Chichi?
You don't see me. See the thing, if I even rub this ash, the one they call eyeshadow, if I rub and finish, you go fine, you go become beautiful man.
Chichi, don't you ever in your life do this to my face again. Can you hear me? What? Oh my God.
Baby, but I never finished the work.
Are you okay? Are you sick in the head? Don't you know this is feminine? I'm a real man for crying out loud.
No, thanks.
If you try, don't worry. What the hell is this?
Never finish.
We don't almost finish. You just calm down. I do this. This is a smile line.
Smile line.
Where's smile line?
Make you no shoe.
Smile line. Remain your lips now. I could just use a lip gloss. If I use this one.
Oh, this one will make lips shine.
They shine. I see, make I even ask you, why you agree make I do you this thing like this?
Anything to support you now. You know my person.
My baby boy don't like him. You say me I know do one. I don't like him.
You say this guy say men no dey like him. Even myself I don't like him. And because he's my G. That's helping. I'll support your ministry small.
Adieu. Chai. I better person you be. Wait, no talk again. Make I do and finish.
Okay.
Hi! Go smack it. Smack it.
The head follow because you said the head like that. Why did
You follow. You don't finish.
you don't finish like this? And make I see what you do now.
Abi.
Get me here.
Okay, carry on.
Make I judge your work. I call results. My report.
You like him?
Let me be this.
Fine.
You're not kitchen why you.
Fine.
See as I fine. I mean, I like fine, babe. I don't fine pass you.
You like him? So I get an A1 now.
My eyebrow, everything.
It come.
You know, at this point now, you have to call me a different name. From now onwards, you have to call me Cynthia.
Cynthia no enter.
Did not enter.
Cynthia no enter.
So which one are we going
This
for?
your level now. Agboma.
You went local.
Agboma.
I love it. AKA Agui.
Agui.
Clock it.
Oh!
Clock. I feel like my level of confidence has risen.
Clock.
Just look at this fine babe. Look at this fine babe.
Agui.
Look at this fine babe. You see me beauty pageants like this. You see me walking like this.
Hey! Give them. Agui.
Kunaka.
Give them. Agui champion. The number one.
Don't you have wig to give me so I can fling my hair like this? Fling it like this. Anybody that talks this, I'll use my wig to blind the person. Now, blind the person.
You go blind them. Blind your enemy.
See as I find.
You did.
Fine
You
girl.
asa.
I sweet.
Asa.
I sweet.
5
don't
plus.
find
Because
pass
how
you.
did they talk about 5 plus 3 minus nothing 8.
I don't find pass
You
you.
ate it.
I don't. My
You
market
ate.
price has gone up.
You
It
ate.
has
Yo.
gone up.
10
It has
minus
gone
2
up.
plus 5 8. Yo. He ate. Yeah. He ate. He hanka. I I use purple. I use black for this side.
Rainbow
It can
eyes.
blend. Purple, black, it
I'm
blend.
fine.
You find that?
I'm fine.
We didn't okay.
Uh-uh.
I want more than okay. Hey,
Say
you
it
got to
Say it
give them.
again. Say it
I
again.
want more than okay. Clock it. See. Clock up. Clock up. Clock up.
Give me Give me road.
Move. Give them. Take care.
A journey of life turns into a sweet tale of love. When I sit and watch, I feel I'm thinking out loud. Oh yeah, oh no. It came at first sight, finding what is right. Seems like a puzzle, it swept me away. I feel like I'm going insane. Somebody wake me up, cause I think I'm dreaming. Could this be love? Yeah. Could this be love? Oh. My love is pure. My love is original. My love is not material. My love is true.
I wish say my baby boo go they behave like him more.
But it can buy my heart. But it can buy my love. Unconditional love. They say money can buy the world, but it can buy my heart. But it can buy my love. Unconditional love. Unconditional love. When I say I love for real. When I say I do for real. When I say we go for real. No throwing back, baby. No. I give you my heart, I give you my heart, baby. My body and my soul. No one else but you.
Baby boo. This is my new friend eh?
I don't want to hear it, okay? I just want absolute peace and quiet, please. Just exhausting that you can't seem to stop this your whole friend thing. Every time your friend this, your friend this, your friend this. I'm tired of this childish banter. Please, I just want to sleep. Once again, she's not here to welcome me. Before this friend of hers came, she would wait all day. She would call all day. It was irritating, but not needing me at all feels worse.
You better pass Christy Brown. You don't even get level where you there at all. Now. You not talent now. Talent you be. Better talent. Oh! Baby boo. Baby boo.
Chichi, end that call now.
My guy, may I call you back and my baby boo don't come.
Okay now. Greet your baby boo from you.
Hi, baby boo.
I do not want you to speak to that guy anymore. And I'm serious.
No, be guy. Now that my friend, the baby boo. Baby boo. I should say they joking, no. Now hunger ola. Talk say angry man. Make I go cook for him. Oh! See the vex. I be thinking na hunger hold you. You don't chop now. Smile small now.
Chichi, I'm serious. I do not want you talking to that guy. Tell him to stay away from you.
You dey serious? You see they talk this thing? Baby boo, Kelly na my bestie now. Eh?
Oh, please, Chichi. I don't want to hear his silly name, his stupid name ever again. Excuse me.
Why is her number still saying busy since now? Will she block me? Maybe na network. I don't know. Start off with the bridge. Get better. Should make it better. Okay.
So after you make up class, the driver will come pick you up. And I don't want you to meet up with that guy.
Waiting that my friend do you now.
I already told you. Can you even stop with this whole my friend? It's very annoying.
I don't hear. To this phone, eh? No comfy call am. Wetin you can't do like this? Eh? Which kind thing be this one like this, eh? Hi. And him don't go bring driver now. We go they carry me come back home. Which kind thing be this one? Wetin me press like this? How fit come dey call am? Yeah. Number no dey go. How that will come dey possible na? Person where they talk to. Eh? Yeah.
My person.
Will you be this? Come on, go for some. Child. Will you be this?
My person.
My person.
Bless, I never see you for like 1 year.
No, I don't miss you, Dad. I don't miss you.
Hey, what's happened now?
Oh, my baby boo. I don't know what you need to do for my phone. I don't go fit call you. And he don't want me say me cannot they follow you, they talk again.
Hey!
Hey.
My biggest fear.
It's not tire me.
But you do okay, Sha. You know beat you or anything, Abi?
No. Hey! You know they beat me. Huh? You know be bad person. Now good man, he just dey vex.
Thank God.
Hey! I don't miss you.
This pastor, I don't miss you, sir. My wahala queen. Nothing do. I don't even feel conscious. I don't feel do anything. I go your makeup center. They say you don't come out.
Him don't bring driver. Say me driver come they carry me. They go house.
Driver carry you.
They carry me now.
I don't even blame him. I don't blame him. He guard him property now. They say crime territory because any person will see good woman like you go hold am tight, especially for this time and age. You say good women no day again. So as much as say they pay me, I no still blame her.
But not be like this now, eh? Don't be like this, guy. I don't leave finish.
I the same way.
Hey, I cook. We will go inside.
You go inside way.
You, we will go inside.
No now. See if you get CCTV for here, you can't see me say I did here now. You go start the events, the para for you. I don't want that kind of thing now.
True.
Eh?
Get brains.
See, what we go do, eh? I go to call you with another number. No save am. No even try save am. Just when you look the number, you will not see na me they call you. And if I dey call you and you dey there, no answer the call. That's all we take do am.
I know they like this hide thing.
Jimmy, I know. Even myself, I know they like am. But what you want to do now? We don't get any other option. Me, I know if you just there, I'm not going to follow you talk. It don't make sense. Everything, nothing will just make sense.
Only me there this house. The house is there too boring. My life, it don't boy. I don't tire.
Sorry.
What's I go do?
Sorry.
Kai, are you be this?
My just partner, my wahala queen.
I should not go fit come inside. I go bring food. I go just stay. May I bring food?
You sure?
Hey now, see, don't you because this small day when you not see me like this. Hey, child, don't know.
No today, oh.
Journey of life turns into a sweet tale of love when I sit and watch. Somebody wake me up, cause I think I'm dreaming. Could this be love? Yeah. Could this be love? Oh, my love is pure, my love is original, my love is not material, my love is true. Yeah. They say money can buy the world, but it can buy my heart. But it can buy my love, unconditional love. They say money can buy the world, but it can buy my heart. But it can buy my love, unconditional love. When I say I love for real. When I say I do for real. When I say we go for real. No throwing back, baby. No. I give you my heart, I give you my heart, baby. My body and my soul. No one else but you, baby. No. When you're not there, I feel so empty inside of me. When you smile, I smile. When you cry, I cry. When you dance, I dance. Oh no, it doesn't matter if you were rich or poor. Just be true to me, baby. Oh no. They say money can buy the world, but it can buy my heart. But it can buy my love, unconditional love.
She does not seem disturbed anymore. Something must be up. That fool got another number. No, I cannot afford to lose her. I'll block 1,000,000 numbers to make sure I don't. That guy would never stop. How about spoiling the phone and refusing to replace it? Putting it in water, hiring security, watching her every move. Forgive me, my love, but I cannot afford to lose you.
A journey of life turns into a sweet tale of love. When I sit and watch, I feel I'm thinking out loud. Oh yeah, oh no. It came at first sight, finding what is right. Seems like a puzzle, it swept me away. I feel like I'm going insane. Oh no. Somebody wake me up, cause I think I'm dreaming. Could this be love? Yeah. Could this be love? Oh. My love is pure. My love is original.
Baby, wake. Something don't happen. Wake.
What's that?
Wake, see now. This is my phone. You know they work again. I don't on them. They try on them. You know agree work. Oh. I don't know. Hey.
That's bad though.
Hey, they bad.
Don't worry, okay. When I have time, I'll get you another one.
No. People, you know they ever get time. Make we. In fact, I could go do it myself.
Chichi. Listen, I don't want you to stress this, okay? And I don't want to argue. When I'm less busy, I'll get you another one. I want the best for you.
People, you need to ever get time now. Baby, this is now. I go take do like this now. Phone way just there on the own. You just spoil. I don't understand this kind of thing, no. Which kind of thing be this one like this? Eh? Baby boy, beg, wake now. Wake, this will not be make you sleep, matter. Wake, me we dey go.
Chichi, please. Don't stress. Don't stress this.
Why no go stress now? My phone is just
Just
there.
relax. I will get you another one when I'm less busy. Can you allow me?
This one you're
Please.
less busy. This one dey tire me. You know they about bedtime. People boy abeg wake now. You no go fit sleep. Oh, me I no fit sleep like this. Make you too if you wake. Wake abeg wake.
Oh, Chichi, please.
No vex, but you go wake abeg. Make we go see wetin we fit do this phone like this. Oh.
You have the job. Remember, do not let anybody inside this house without my permission.
Yes, sir.
So there's this particular guy I don't want to see inside my compound. In fact, don't let anybody inside or outside this house, including my wife.
Okay, sir.
And whatever you do, I'll be watching you through my CCTV camera. Clear?
Yes, sir. See, sir, make I promise you, I go do this job past police people. I see in a prison, nobody go come inside, nobody go go out, including madam. I promise
Are
you.
you okay? What's the meaning of that? There's no prisoner here and this is not a prison. Just follow my orders. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Get out.
Sorry, sir. Thank you, sir. Which kind of wahala be this one now, eh? This girl phone they say switched off since. For 3 days now, I don't know what's going on. Just want to hear her voice. Switched off, switched off, switched off. Which kind of nonsense be this one now? 3 days now. This man wants to kill me. I just want to hear her voice. Hey. Let me just see her. I just want to see her, that's all. Please now.
Oga, abeg dey go. Even though madam dey, I no go allow her come out. And you no go see am. We wan use fine boy. Abeg, Oga, dey go.
Okay, why they do like this now? I just want to see her. I don't even have to come inside. Just tell her I'm here so she can come outside. I don't even want to come inside.
Oga, she no dey come outside. You know they go in. Day your day.
Why you they do like this? I say as I the man, they beg you, you they show yourself. Why they do like this?
You won't fight
now?
me?
I no one fight you. I just they tell you, make you just.
Oga, she no dey come. She no dey come. Eh?
Hey, which kind of wahala be this one now?
See, or which kind of she know they come. They go.
This thing way you no good though.
You
if
good.
it be you,
You
if
good.
tomorrow if it be you.
You good.
Why they do like this now? If it be you tomorrow.
Oga, you good. They go. Won't use fine boy come into another man's house. That's what they do.
Hey.
See, you no get work. Now to carry this thing. Chin. She dey come. You want beat me? You go feel beat me? Also chichi.
No, you don't happy now, Abi. You don't do what you want to, I don't happy. You don't do what you want to, Abi.
If you reach your turn, open gate.
No wahala.
Wahala dey.
This way. Chichi! Why they even follow you? Chichi!
Chin.
Chichi!
No be only chichi, na chin.
Chichi!
Chin.
It's Kelly, I'm outside there, Chichi!
Chin. It's gate man. I'm outside there. Chin.
Why you they do like this now? This way, you no good.
He good. This I no know your type. May you carry fine boy into another man's house. Oga, they go. Even though you come, she no go come. They go. This how they fire your chest. I get belly. No, they look me, Oga, they go. Or some chin.
Why do I feel so empty? 'Cause I can't see your face. Where have you gone, my lady? 'Cause I can't see your face. Why do I feel so Plenty.
Of all the disappointments I've had in my life, none has broken me like not seeing Chi for days now has.
Whether I go choose love or choose friendship. Cause even though I won't marry baby boo, I no fit do without talking to Kelly too. Both of them dey important to me. Why my baby boo no go just relax? Eh? I dey suspect say you no wan buy phone for me o. Wetin I go come do now? I no wan make him vex. I don tire o.
Be catching feelings now. I can't be catching feelings. Like this girl is taking. Where do I even want to start? I can't. Miss her so much. Are you okay?
Are you okay?
So, how's the makeup class going? Have you learned how to put the mascara on the mouth?
I did they put the mascara.
Well, at least I know something about it.
You talk to me when they talk on with the chop.
Oh.
She has been so sad. Withdrawn. Unlike her happy self. Maybe I should take a break from work. Try to be friendly like that guy. Perhaps it will make her look happy again.
Baby! Oh, babe, this guy again. You laugh now. Eh? This guy, is he for real?
Maybe Buna fake laugh if they laugh.
Baby, come on now. You see all those your loud and playful banter? I miss them.
Maybe you tell me say you no like him. So I dey talk loud, I dey laugh loud, I dey do everything loud. You dey complain now.
Oh, baby, but this one is funny now. Eh? This one is so funny. Baby, see. I know I said that, but just let's forget about the past. Right now, I love everything about you. Okay? And I'm ready for you. Babe, babe, can you imagine? Can you imagine this guy? Babe, it's funny now. Look at this very well.
It's funny. They watch him since it won't make me laugh.
Yeah. But it's funny to me. Oh my god. This guy again. You've been watching him since. You've not been laughing. This guy is so funny. Babe. Babe, laugh now.
fall in love with rich man girlfriend. From where to where? Is there any sense in that? To what end? Of all people. Ha! So good they were. But I want to see her. I want to see her. And it's weekend. Will he be around? Hey! Oh, love on table. I'm in trouble. I don't enter. I don't enter. Please now, eh? I just want to see her. She's my friend. Eh? That's all I'm asking. I just want to see her. Please now. That's not too much to ask. Hey, which kind of one be this one? I see the way your fellow man just they beg you. Eh? I beg now. Eh, please.
My friend, who are you?
Good afternoon.
Who are you? What's good about the afternoon?
My name is Kelly. I'm Chichi's friend.
Listen, I don't want to see you around this house or around my girlfriend, okay?
Okay, I know she's your girlfriend, but she's my friend too. I just want to see her, that's all.
Oh, you want to snatch my girlfriend away from me, right?
Which one is that? Snatch from where to where? Nobody's dragging woman with you. She's my friend. I just want to say, you can ask her. Chichi, call her and ask her. She's my friend. Eh? He knows me now.
You're still here.
Okay, no be so. Chichi, you can call her and ask her. She's my friend. Eh? Nobody is, which one be snatched? Nobody is.
Baby. Hey, baby. No, my bestie. I beg you, bestie.
If he does not leave this place right now, I'm calling the estate security or the police.
No, this will never reach. I beg. No call.
He needs to leave.
He go come out. I beg. No vex. I beg, baby. I beg. No call. I beg now. I beg. No vex. No, he go come out. Hey, bestie.
I don't miss you now. I just want to see you. I don't miss you.
I know, see if I don't miss you, but you not supposed they here. I beg, they go. They go, I beg.
Okay, they go.
They go. See, I go follow and talk. Eh? When I talk to him, I beg, please. They go. I know me you call security. I beg. They go.
So I don't pass that time.
They mad.
They
go, I beg. They go. Please, they go now. I beg, they go. No vex, eh? I go follow and talk. No worry. Kelly na my friend. You make I follow am talk. See, you know, a good person him be. He no go affect us. I beg.
No, it's risky. I cannot do that.
This thing wey you dey do, e no good though. E no good. You tell me say you love me. Why you go? If you love me, why you go put me for this house? They cage me like say I be animal.
That guy is distracting you from us.
You know they distract now. Now just talking, they follow me, they talk, eh? I don't tell you say this place they boring. You no go follow me talk. Person won't follow me talk. You go see they do this for me. I don't tire. I don't tire. Which kind of thing be this one now? Eh?
It's been weeks I can't hear her voice. I can't see her. But I can't stop thinking about her.
A journey of life turns into a sweet tale of love. When I sit and watch, I feel I'm thinking out loud. Oh yeah, oh no. It came at first sight, finding what is right. Seems like a puzzle, it swept me away. I feel like I'm going insane. Oh no, no. Somebody wake me up, cause I think I'm dreaming. Could this be love? Yeah. Could this be love? My love is pure. My love is original. My love is not material. My love is true. Yeah. They say money can buy the world, but it can buy my heart. But it can buy my love. Unconditional love. They say money can buy the world, but it can buy my heart. But it can buy my love, unconditional love. Oh no no, unconditional love. When I say I love for real. When I say I do for real. When I say we go for real. No throwing back, baby. No, 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 no. I give you my heart, I give you my heart, baby. My body and my soul.
Chichi, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. But I want you to know that I want what's best for you. I love you, Chichi. I really do love you. And I don't want to lose you. So please stop crying. Come. Come. It's okay.
Open this gate, oh! Open this gate now. Like this, I play every time I come here. I'm not going to do anyhow. Like this, I be gentleman. Look my face. I'm not be gentleman, no. Open this gate now. What did I use for? I go bust your head now. Okay, open this gate. Don't go anywhere. Come here. You know inside. You know inside. Come on, check for my body. You. This is what you. This is what you not to come here.
People!
Chi, it's good to see you. Chichi, can you be fast and let him leave my house? He's putting his leg on my expensive couch. Oh, please.
Hey, calm down. Eh? You don't almost finish him. Now God save us like this. You don't almost kill him. You can just touch this thing. I beg, calm down. Try. Sorry.
Easy.
So. Make it quick.
Just be fast.
This is a blank check. Name your price, I'll sign it. But you have to stay away from us.
Yeah, I no go lie, this one better temptation. I mean, I could take this money and solve a lot of problems for me. I could use it to promote my music. Finally get out of poverty.
That makes no difference. I will not allow you anywhere near my girlfriend.
Let me ask you something. Is she happy with your decision? Why won't you allow her to make her own decision? What exactly are you so scared of? That she loves me more than she loves you? That she thinks I'm a better man than you are? Why are you so scared? I mean, if she's yours, then she will stick to you. If not, you know, you only hit me the first time because I didn't see it coming. It won't happen again. Trust me.
I dey come. I dey come. Baby, welcome.
Hi, baby.
Welcome.
Thank you. Don't hold.
Sorry. May I help you carry your bag?
Don't worry. So I got you this. Take it now. See, baby, everything here is worth millions. You know, I'll buy the world for you. The whole world. Is everything okay?
I no need all these things where you buy you. I no need them. You self, you know. You see me, I want now my freedom, my friendship. This house, it is very boring.
Well, baby, I can be your friend. Just give me a chance. Babe.
Chance, it dey. Chance, dey.
If I had money, how can I even fight for her love? How come you're so big? What do I even have to offer her? Poverty, hopelessness. Take her away from her mansion and bring her into this one-bedroom apartment. I've done everything possible for a better life. It doesn't look like I'm never going to make it ever. I might as well give up.
I'll apply to more record areas and I'll knock on other doors, many doors, plenty doors, one must open. Something has to give. I just want, I feel it in my breast that one day the Lord will hear my name. I know it. So I have to keep trying. Check this thing. How to laugh naturally. Laughing naturally, even if it's not what I want. What if I check out some comedy clips? Okay. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Laughter, joy, happiness starts deep from within. My life is just all about work, just me, myself, and I.
Spin on my eye, they pay me. Yes! Yes! Finally! Hey! I knew it. I said it. I said one day, one door must open. One door must open. It must open. Omo, first thing tomorrow, I'm going to Abuja. I'll go sign this contract. Wait, make a put on my way. Thank God. Thank God, no. It don't happen. Thank God. Thank God, I said it. I said I wasn't going to give up. It don't happen. Yes. Yes. Let's go.
She's never been happy since I disconnected her from that guy. I can't keep her caged like a bird. He was right. If she's mine, she will return. There was a time she wanted only me. I have her full attention. It was all about me, but I took it for granted. Now I have to fight for it. She gives no damn about me now. You do not know the value of what you have till you lose it. I have to confront my fears. You're not happy, I know. I'm sorry I held you against your will. I mean, I was desperate. But now I want to do right by you. I want you to be happy. You deserve to be happy. Here's the phone.
I can't believe that life has gotten better for me. Everything I've dreamed of, it has come to pass. But I feel incomplete. I'm hurting. The one person who was there for me when nobody was. She can't even share this moment with me. I have to find a way to see her. I have to let her know that I finally made it, that her prayers worked.
This could be the last night she sleeps under my roof. Can I afford to lose her? I have to come to terms with this. I need to. Kelly and Chichi. I called this meeting for two things. Firstly, I'd like to apologize to you, Kelly, for what happened the last time. I went violent with you, which was not necessary, and I was wrong for doing that. And I'd like to say I'm sorry. Secondly, Chichi. What do you want? Yes. I would like you to make a decision. And whatever it is, I'll respect it.
Baby boo. Now better man you be. You're not a good man. You see poor local girl like me, we no even go school. You give me work. You can't look me finish. Tell me say you like me. Tell me say you want make I be your girlfriend. You keep me for this fine house. They give me food. They buy me clothes, buy me shoe. Even this wig where I wear like this, now you buy them. You know, get wetin I want for this life where you know buy give me. Even things I no go even see, even touch for this life. Because of you, I don't see am come touch am. I don't check am. No be those things me I want. And me if I don't even check am, me and you know dey flow. You know dey flow at all. You no go work. You as you dey now, you deserve person wey go be your kind person. That person no be me. I'm very sorry.
A journey of life turns into a sweet tale of love. When I sit and watch, I feel I'm thinking out loud. Oh yeah, oh no. It came my first sight, finding what is right. Seems like a puzzle, it swept me away. I feel like I'm going insane. Somebody wake me up, cause I think I'm dreaming. Could this be love? Yeah. Could this be love? Oh, oh, oh. My love is pure, my love is original. My love is not material. My love is true. Yeah. They say money can buy the world, but it can buy my heart. But it can buy my love. Unconditional love. They say money can buy the world, but it can buy my heart. But it can buy my love. Unconditional love. Unconditional love. When I say I love for real. When I say I do for real. When I say we go for real. No throwing back, baby. No, 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 no. I give smile, I smile. When you cry, I cry. When you dance, I dance. Oh no, it doesn't matter if you were rich or poor. Just be true to me, baby. Oh no, no. They say money can buy the world, but it can buy my heart. But it can buy my love, unconditional love. They say money can buy the world.